Imagine finishing every single task by 2 p.m. without panic. Just 5 hours of sharp execution replacing the traditional, exhausting 8-hour grind. This chart represents a standard 8-hour workday. Microsoft WorkLab data shows professionals lose up to 2.5 hours to digital distractions. This broken chunk, the distraction tax, leaves you with bare minimum output. You are physically present, but cognitively burned out. The fix isn't to type faster or stay late. To get that time back, we have to eliminate those wasted cognitive cycles altogether. True corporate productivity requires us to re-engineer exactly how we structure our time. We can compress scattered, diffuse effort into a fraction of the hours. One of the most battle-tested ways to achieve this is the Pomodoro Technique. It's a time management framework specifically designed to cure scattered attention. The system starts with a single block. Pick one task and work with 100% focus for exactly 25 minutes. No multitasking. Then, step away for a 5-minute break. After 4 cycles, take a 30-minute rest to fully reset. This structure relies heavily on attention restoration theory. Your brain's prefrontal cortex, the area responsible for complex decision-making, fatigues quickly. Mandatory short breaks give it the exact recovery time required to maintain sharp focus. This graph maps the brain's natural energy fluctuations throughout the day, known as ultradian rhythms. Notice how a full set of 4 Pomodoro cycles aligns perfectly with these natural 90-minute peaks and valleys. This makes the timer a biological intervention. It keeps your focus steady and prevents your energy from crashing halfway through the afternoon. Once you have the 25-minute rhythm down, you can scale it into a complete blueprint, the Corporate Elevate 5-hour power schedule. Before starting your first timer, you need to group similar tasks together. Switching between unrelated tasks costs a 23-minute refocus tax. Grouping tasks eliminates this friction entirely. This matrix plots tasks by urgency and focus required. Place deep work and strategy into your morning blocks for peak alertness. Save routine emails and admin for 25-minute batches strictly after lunch, when cognitive energy naturally dips. To implement this schedule, subscribe, like this video, and share it with your team. Corporate Elevate brings you evidence-backed strategies to accelerate your career every single week. Grouping your tasks in this specific sequence buys back the hours normally lost to context switching. Of course, the modern office is an interruption machine. You need a strict protocol to protect your focus blocks from constant noise. If a stray thought distracts you, log it on a piece of paper and keep working. If a colleague stops by, politely ask them to wait until your timer ends. The only time you void and restart a focus block is for an urgent request from your manager. You should also adjust the timer based on your career stage. Corporate freshers should stick to 25-minute bursts to build stamina. Senior professionals handling complex strategy can often stretch these blocks to 50 minutes. This calendar grid highlights the crucial final step, tracking your output. By logging your completed blocks and tallying your interruptions every day, you generate hard data showing your actual productive hours versus your perceived work. Consistently measuring these focus blocks turns a basic desk timer into an elite, highly personalized performance system. Compare the exhausted, overworked employee we saw earlier to a professional who actually controls their time. This is what it looks like to execute an entire day's work in just 5 hours. Faster, more urgent tone. Follow the core rules. Single task for 25 minutes, take a 5-minute screen-free break, rest longer after 4 cycles, batch similar tasks, and track your output. Strictly adopting this framework drops your daily burnout, restores your work-life balance, and consistently generates higher quality professional output. Subscribe to Corporate Elevate to master focus techniques like this, reclaim your time, and elevate your professional life.